So here we go. Well, that's it. Out. In the morning, getting ready to head out. And it is just pouring. It doesn't give it justice, these pictures. But the sound in the building is amazing. But looks like I'm gonna hang out here a few more minutes. Well, I don't think I can go that way. This must be the area of the giant Buddhas, because there's a lot of them around here. Now I'm gonna go up, check out the Buddha. Welcome back. I don't know what's going on here, but those other Buddhas were just ram-packed. Those other temples were super busy where I spent the night at, and now these are dead. I don't think there's going to be a road here. Tumpai? Little slippery. Better off on the harder pack where the wheels are. Tire tracks are. Ooh. So it's for me to go straight. Oh shit. It says turn right there. I may end up having to go back that way. But let's see. This might go through. Got on the other side. It's saying to go right, but I ain't gonna do that. Sweaty cup. Well, my GoPro battery died, so I just pulled off the little small road. It's telling me to go this way. I got off and walked across the bridge just to see if it ended. Looks like it ends at that guy's house, but he's got a car there, so he cannot take a car across this bridge, so recenter my thing. It's telling me to go across. So here we go. Little slippery. Oh shit, my glasses. I don't think so. Ain't nobody go that way. That's what it looked like. It went that way. What makes me a little nervous is I don't know what's underneath this grass, and I could slip, fall off into that muck. It's crazy, but I may just be able to get out of here. Maybe. Maybe not. Yep, things are looking a little better. Look at this. Will you look at this? It's on the map even. yet another temple. One jumped off the bike and I'm looking all over for it, and these people pulled over and helped me look for it. So I'm very lucky. Is gone to the gods. And I'm gonna have to buy me another one. So, and those are the people that helped me try to find it, but I gotta get going. It's late and I still got 150 kilometers to go. So, hasta la vista. I really don't have time to stop. I spent about 2 hours trying to find my iPhone. Well, an hour anyhow. And it's threatening rain, and I'm gonna get to an accommodation at the dam. It's about 60 kilometers away. There's always caves in these kind of rocks. Kind of looks like Avatar. The floating mountains. So, it's starting to rain a little bit. And I think I got about 40 kilometers to go.
Well, this is the bike heading off to the parcel post, the parcel place. And it's going off to Bangkok tonight, maybe at midnight. This is the train, and I think this is third class. Yeah, it's a little full. I booked a hotel room about 2 kilometers away. So I'm just gonna walk there and sleep, get up in the morning, and then I'll fly to Bangkok. So I'm gonna put a. I don't know if it'll work for me, but this is me getting out, buying my ticket here at the parcel. We'll see what happens. Meet you in Bangkok.